Hello everyone, this is my video for significant figures, which is the second item on the Year 8 syllabus. So we kind of did that one, but it was hard work. And now we're on to this one, and we've already done some of that, and that, and that already, some of it. And we did linear equations too. So we're doing quite well. Since we shouldn't even be on Year 8 next until a few months later. Right, so we've got to add and subtract integers. An integer is just a number like -3 or 0 or 17, not 1.1. So integers include 0 and negative numbers, but not fractions and decimals. But this is the interesting thing here. It says significant figures, which I don't think you've done those before. Let's see. If you've got a number, how many significant figures does it have is just like how many digits, and there's 2. And in this one, there's 6. You just count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if a number has more significant figures, it just means we know it more accurately. So if I wrote down pi like that, it would be a very poor estimate of pi. That's better. Okay, but there's a problem with this. If the last number is 0, you don't know whether that number's been rounded up to 10 from, say, 6, or it might have been rounded down to 10 from 14. So has that number been rounded, or is it exact? And you just don't know. If the last number's a 0, you don't know. In that one, you do know. But when it's 10, you just don't know. So you should always write them like this: 1 significant figure like that if it's not perfect, and 2 if it is more perfect. Okay, I've done this one for you already, this top one, and I'm also going to do the second one as well. Now it says rounded, and the question that you have to ask yourself is this: 1 significant figure, so it's going to be either 40,000 or 50,000. And how to answer which one it should be, it wants 1 significant figure, so you look at the second number there, and if it's over 5, which is over halfway, then you round this one up to 5, and if it's under 5, you don't. You keep it at 4. So there's my answer to that one. It doesn't go up. Now let's do this one. It also wants 1 significant figure, so the question is now, does that go up to 9, or does it stay at 8? And the answer to that is, well, this second number here is more than 5, so it definitely gets rounded up to 9,000. And then we just have to write 1 SF afterwards, like so. Some of these you have to do for 3 significant figures. So, for example, in that one, our question would be, would it stay at 844, or would it go up to 845? And to answer that question, look at that number there. You can see the little blue square on my screen. Look at that number there, and if it's over 5, then yes, it gets rounded up to 845. Okay. I've only given you 10 questions on that, which isn't enough, because after we're finished, we have this Kahoot to do, and there's 17 pretty good questions on there as well. All right, people, our class is going to be at 1 o'clock, and I'll see you later.